Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make marmalade ninjin. It's another very simple vegetable side using easy to access ingredients. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this marmalade ninjin, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some carrot, it's about 400 grams. 2 tablespoons each of marmalade and soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, any vegetable oil you like. Let's julienne carrot and put in a large bowl that you can microwave. I'm using the carrot with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Cut the top and the bottom off. Make very thin, like paper thin slices. Align them. Then julienne. All into the bowl. Same for the other 2 carrots. Let's put all these and give it a good mix. Vegetable oil, mirin, soy sauce, and marmalade. Cover with the lid and microwave. Let's start with 3 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. And microwave one more time. This time with the lid off, 2 to 3 minutes at 600 watts. And marmalade ninjin is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Marmalade adds so much fresh and fruity flavor to the dish, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Marmalade ninjin is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about dorai kare here, which will also cover the main, and kabocha no soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.